Good evening, my family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slots. Good evening. Hopefully you're having a good day today. Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and celebrate a little bit of my birthday. I'm going to go ahead and got $40 on a $5 Denom right in front of raining silver and gold. And I tell you what, I'm just going to go ahead and hit 8 smacks on $5. And whatever I get out of it, I get out of it, because I had a good day today, and I figure, well, count my blessings and just try to enjoy a good hit. Hopefully hit it big for AAZ Slots. And for those new viewers that have yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots, come and join our family. Hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up, because it helps the channel, because this entertainment is for you guys out there. For those that are unable to go to the casino or your local gaming establishment, that's what my channel is for, and this is for you. If you have any suggestions on any machines that you would like to see, put it in that comment section below, and I'll go ahead and review it and see if we can play those machines, hopefully in our area casinos where I'm at, and I'll go ahead and play them for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this baby going. We're going to go ahead and hit 1. We're going to hit 8 hits and see where it takes us. So here we go. Let's hit it big for AAZ Slots. 1. 2. Come on now. 3. 4. 5. I got 3 more now. Well, last 2. And last 1. Yep, 25. Well, I'll tell you what, like I said, with the 25, those 8 hits, that whatever I got out of it, I got out of it. So count my blessings as I do every day. And thank you very much for your loyal subscribers that are to our channel. And keep in mind that this channel is for you. And I tell you what, I never leave a channel, I'll never even leave a machine with the winning combination on, so you always get 1 backup spin. That's true, right, guys? There's 1 more. Okay, that's it. All right, so I'd like to thank you all. Hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for those that have yet to subscribe to AAZ Slots. And watch out for new videos on its way. Take care now.